Hey y'all, this is the Energy Resources quiz. It has 8 questions. If you need to pause, fast forward, rewind, feel free to do that. Make sure you're circling your answers on your page. All right, here we go. Number 1 gives us a data table, and it says, what best replaces the X in the data table? And if we come up here, we see Y up here and X in this spot. And it has nuclear, biomass, geothermal, Y, and then byproducts, environmental concerns, and availability. So under nuclear, we have X for byproducts. For environmental concerns of nuclear energy, we have heated water is dangerous to aquatic life. For availability, we have that it is abundant. For biomass, we have a byproduct is nitrogen oxides. An environmental concern is increased water and chemical use on farmland. And availability, it's abundant. For geothermal, the byproducts are minimal. The environmental concerns are that water wells could be depleted over time, and that the availability for geothermal, it's available in few locations around the world. For Y, so we don't have the title, byproducts are none. Environmental concerns, flooding areas by damming a river destroys land and habitats. And for availability, it's abundant. And so basically, we just want to know what byproducts happen for nuclear energy right here for X. So A, radioactive waste. B, carbon dioxide. C, sulfur dioxide. Or D, nitrogen oxide. All right, number 2. Which of the following energy sources is most likely to have a negative effect on air quality? F, coal. G, geothermal. H, sunlight. Or J, wind. All right, number 3. Schools that are heated with natural gas furnaces use a type of fuel that is classified as A, non-renewable alternative fuel. B, non-renewable fossil fuel. C, renewable alternative fuel. Or D, renewable fossil fuel. All right, if you'll flip that over. Number 4. Which of the following statements best explains a disadvantage of using non-renewable resource over a renewable resource? So which is a disadvantage of using a non-renewable resource over a renewable? F, coal-generated electricity currently costs more per kilowatt hour than solar-generated electricity. G, burning coal produces less energy than burning natural gas. H, geothermal energy is difficult to use to produce electricity compared to burning coal. Or J, burning coal will produce more environmental pollution than using wind turbines. Number 5. Which of the following statements is true about the advantages and disadvantages of using different energy resources? A, wind power is an expensive, non-renewable source of energy for the production of electrical energy. B, solar power is a clean, renewable source of energy, but quite expensive and not dependable on a daily basis. C, coal is a safe and effective renewable source of energy used in the production of electricity. Or D, nuclear power is a cost-effective, non-renewable energy resource that leaves behind no waste. All right, number 6. Several dams on the Colorado River in Texas produce electricity through hydropower. What is an advantage of this type of energy production? F, land is flooded when dams are built. G, dams improve biodiversity by creating lakes out of rivers. H, hydropower provides renewable energy for human use. Or J, electricity can only be generated during daylight hours. Number 7, which of the following energy transformation systems would be most affected by changes in weather? A, geothermal power generation. B, natural gas power generation. C, nuclear power generation. Or D, wind turbine power generation. Number 8, which of the following energy types is considered very efficient but also very dangerous? F, fossil fuel energy. G, geothermal energy. H, nuclear energy. Or J, wind energy. All right, make sure you've answered all the questions. If you need to rewind and go back to one, you can do that right now and re-listen to it. If you're done, also make sure your name is on your paper, and you can go ahead and pause this video and close your computer. All right, thanks.